Hi, I'm Tommy Ellison, Marketing Director with Covington Flooring Company, and welcome to Fastbreak.
Nobody knows biomechanics better than Robbins Sports Surfaces, and no one knows installation and finishing better than Covington. The natural beauty of Robbins Northern Hard Maple, coupled with the strategic application of bonus stains and paint, make this floor a KO for the Katy School District. The Covington Houston office worked with the architect and owner to provide not only a great-looking floor, but one that also delivers safety, performance, and comfort to the athlete and staff of this new school. The Robbins BioCushion Classic system is a great choice for competition play at all levels and can make a great solution for any competition or auxiliary gymnasium. It takes a tremendous amount of work, sawdust, and sweat to install a new maple floor, but that's why you call us. Since 1982, and with offices strategically located in cities across the Southeast, Covington is poised and prepared to make your new or renovated sports facility a showplace for the entire community. And that's why champions call Covington the choice of champions.